Hello, kumusta po kayo lahat? Ito po yung old buddy na si Nurse Kaloy and shout out sa aking mga friends, relatives dyan sa US, Canada, and to all my subscribers all over the world and dito po sa Pilipinas. Maraming salamat sa panonood, pag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel, Nurse Kaloy. Okay, alam naman po natin na very trending at viral po itong si Mayor Alice Go ng Bamban Tarlac. At dahil nga po rito sa kanyang birth certificate na peke raw, ay kinakalkal ng Senado ang kanyang identity. At ito nga po mga kapwa ko vloggers, ay marami pong lumalabas na mga balibalita sa social media na natukoy na nga ron tunay niyang pangalan per Gatchalian, Senator Gatchalian, Go Huaping. At meron din nagsasabi na nakatakas na raw siya, nagtatago, makukulong. Marami yung mga medyo may pagkapeking balita. Katulad po nun, nakulong, nagtatago, hindi po natin alam yan unless proven. Meron pa tayong mga talagang proof. Ngayon po, bago tayo mag-proceed, meron po akong papakita sa inyong video clip ng ABS-CBN at ito ay isang tinatawag natin veteranong radio and TV commentator na si Karen Davila. In-interview niya po si Senator Win Gatchalian na out of respect naman sa ating mga ibang vlogger, mas papabor ako rito na sana panoorin nyo and then give your comment. Kasi po, ito lang po ang makakasagot sa mga katanungan binabato, sinasabi ng mga kapwa ko vloggers sa social media na medyo nakakalito na, nakakasawa, at para matapos na rin, matuldukan na rin itong investigasyon kay Mayor Alice Go. Panoorin nyo po para kayo na ang mag-judge kung if this is the right move for Mr. Senator Win Gatchalian. At ito nga po ang tinanong ni Ms. Karen Davila. Kudos po, Madam Karen. Dali lang po.
One of our senior correspondents in ABS-CBN has a good question for you. Can the Senate coordinate with the Chinese embassy and actually check her identity? Because the Chinese embassy can do that by verifying biometric records. Has the Senate thought of doing that?
That's a very good question. The committee is already doing that. In fact, we sent letter to the committee to already initiate proceedings coordinating with the Chinese embassy. I understand there are protocols that we have to go through the Department of Foreign Affairs. We cannot go straight to the Chinese embassy because of these protocols, but we are coordinating and getting relevant information.
Because at the end of the day, Senator, do you believe that China can identify her?
I believe so, because we also have records that between 2008 and 2011, Alice Go and Guo Huaping flew to China using different passports. Alice Go
Two passports?
Two passports. Two passports. We have records to show. Alice Go used her Philippine passport. Guo Huaping used her Chinese passport. In that time frame, she was flying in and out of the country using two different passports. After 2011, she already used her Philippine passports. So we have records to show that.
Oh, but then in using from 2008 to 2011, tama to, no? 2008, you're saying she'll fly to China, first Filipino passport, babalik siya using her Chinese passport, or not necessarily?
Not necessarily. Not necessarily.
Filipino, next trip Chinese.
China. Yeah, tama.
Okay.
But if you remember, if you look at the time frame, she got her birth certificate in 2005. And I believe she got her passport in 2006, 2007. So she had a Filipino passport as in around 2007. So, and at the same time, we saw that Guo Huaping was also flying using a Chinese passport.
Yeah.
So So our theory there, or our analysis, is she was flying in and out the Philippines using 2 passports.
Yeah. All right. Okay. Well, when is the next hearing, Senator? I know you're on recess. Am
Yeah.
I correct? Yeah.
Yeah, the
So you'll
committee.
be back. You'll be back already after the sauna.
Yeah, we'll be back, but committee work still goes on. So the next committee hearing will be June 25, and we'll have 2 topics. One, continuation on the Bamban issue, and then number 2, we'll also expand the investigation on the Porac Pogo Hub.
Okay. 2 more questions for you. Just quickly, we're hitting 9 o'clock, but one, do you believe Alice Go should be deported?
Yes, she should.
Okay.
She's not Filipino. If you're not Filipino, you need a visa, a Philippine visa to stay in the country. But since her special investors resident visa was already canceled in 2011, she no longer holds any visa to stay in the country.
Okay. And what about her Philippine passport? Pag ipakita niya,
tama.
you say then that's fake.
Tama ka doon. It should be revoked as well because her birth certificate is fake. Her father supplied fake information. Therefore, the basis to issue the
Okay,
passport disappeared. There's
ang
no
ganda
more
na lang
basis
po ang papakita ko sa video na to kasi ang pinag-usapan po dito ay yung pong identity ni Mayor Alice Go dahil nga po sa fake yung kanyang birth certificate. Now, how can you prove that? Kasi dinideny o dinidispute ni Mayor Alice Go at ng kanyang mga lawyer ang sinasabi ni Senator Win Gatchalian na siya ay si Go Huaping o Go Huaping. Kasi sabi nga ng abogado ni Mayor Alice Go, unless may pakita niya sa korte ang authenticity, ay kailangan ma-prove niya ng ganyan ng Senado o ni Gatchalian. Ngayon, sabi ko nga, the best move is for the Senate to coordinate with the Chinese embassy dito sa Pilipinas to check yung identity ni Mayor Alice Go para matapos na yan. Kasi puros haka-haka, puros binigay ni ganyan, binigay ng BI. Dito sa Pilipinas, alam na mo natin yan, maraming peke. Pwedeng gawin yan. Kaya just to make it clear and official, then call the Chinese embassy. I'm sure they're gonna help with the investigation. Kasi mismo ang China, sabi niya, itigil na ang Pogo kasi nakakasira sa bansa nila dahil maraming nagkakasakitan na kapwa Chinese sa Chinese. At dito sa ating ating bansa, nakakasira rin ang Pogo na yan. Naki-presidente na yan, BBM. Kung aalisin niya, billions ang revenue ng Pogo sa ating gobyerno, kaya hindi po natin alam. Pero yun po ang dapat gawin ni Win Gatchalian, coordinate with the Chinese embassy. Para malaman ko talagang si Alice Go ay Alice Go, Filipino or Chinese. Yun lang po, maraming salamat.